Wake up. We've got to introduce the next act.
I'm preparing for the performance later.
What, your performance?
Yeah, haven't you heard? I'm the last act.
You're joking?
Yeah.
Anyway, here's Whiskey Dogs with the next song.
Baby, I can see you're a dirty girl, trapped in your own little dirty world. Look into your eyes, I'm awake for days, living it up for the weekend. Open your eyes, oh, walk away. What you feel inside, you keep me hanging on with the words you say. And I want you to know when you look at me that way, we're both together. Don't say you don't love more than you can know. So come light up my life with this crazy love. Well, don't say you don't feel the same, 'cause I will never need to know the way I feel about you, trapped up in the crazy love. The stars all shine, the heart told me there's one tonight, searching for a sign, a million miles away. I feel your touch, and I will hold you in my arms, always, forever and a day. Well, I believe in you, more than you could know. So come light up my life with this crazy love. Well, don't say you don't feel the same, 'cause I will never need to know the way I feel about you, trapped up in the crazy love. I can see you're a dirty girl, trapped in your own little dirty world. Look into your eyes, I'm awake for days, locked up in a crazy love.